So today we're going to extend our work area and storage area here. I need to put in a workbench that's a little higher. So we start by some birch, sale, which happens. So we start that. We know it's 29 by 40 feet. So I know that I just it's going to 40 inch piece by 40 feet. So I'm going to do this way. 3 by 9. Okay, and 43. We'll do it here. Okay, 43. I'm going to say so. 43 here. Found a relatively straight 2x4, so we'll use this to scribe our line. And the battery's dead. All right. A sheet cut. It's going to go right in here, and then a 2x4, and then we're going to have 2 bays with a bunch of shelves. Alright, so I'm just using my crappy iPhone tripod as a stand here. I want to keep this clip accessible so I can use it for strapping. So I'm just holding it up here so I can get my eyeball on the sight line here, and this looks pretty good. This old truck is tilting ass down. So looking at this, pretty close. We'll call her good enough. Well, here she is. The final edition. I just have to put some racks in here, some Paco boxes, so all that stuff can get sorted properly, and then there's a whole bunch more in the shed that I want to bring in here. And then a bro bought me a cordless tool hanger organizer, so I'll put that up there. And I need to build a couple of drawers here and some shelving and make that look all pretty. There'll be doors on this, I think. Not sure yet. Anyway, work in progress. See you guys later.